음료 하나 주세요.
콜라 하나 하고 생수 하나요? 4,000원입니다.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Dynamite Korean. 네, 여러분 안녕하세요. You've watched a short video a few seconds ago. I went to ski resort with my friends about 2 weeks ago, and in this video, we are buying some snacks and drinks. And also, I used a lot of words in there too, so we're gonna check out some Korean expressions that I used in ski resort together. Let's go.
저 죄송한데 혹시 헤라가 이쪽으로 내려가는 건가요? 아, 예, 감사합니다. 저 죄송한데 혹시 헤라가 이쪽인가요?
아니 헤라
네.
내려가셔서 내려가셔서 제우스 타고 올라가시던가 아니면 여기서 곤돌라 타고 쭉 올라가셔야 헤라 탑입니다.
아, 예, 알겠습니다. 감사합니다. 땡큐.
저 죄송한데 혹시 헤라가 이쪽으로 내려가는 거 맞나요? 저 죄송한데 excuse me, but you can use it a lot of way. 죄송한데 혹시 헤라가 이쪽으로 내려가는 거 맞나요? 내려간다, go down. Is this way to go down to Hera? Hera is Liv's name. I need to see her at Hera. That's the reason I'm asking about Hera, how to get there. So remember this. 저 죄송한데, 저 means well, and 죄송한데, excuse me, but, and asking, is this way? Something right? 이쪽으로, this direction 가는 게 맞나요? Excuse me, but to go to Hera, do I need to go down there? 저 죄송하지만 헤라에 가려면 이쪽으로 가는 게 맞나요? That's the question I asked. But she said, I don't know. 잘 모르겠어요. I don't know. 잘 모르겠어요. So I asked two other persons, other people. 죄송한데 혹시 헤라가 이쪽인가요? Short away? 죄송한데, excuse me, but 헤라가 이쪽인가요? Is this way to Hera? And people answered me. 헤라 내려가셔서 제우스 타고 올라가시던가 아니면 여기서 곤돌라 타고 쭉 올라가시면 헤라 탑입니다. There's a English expressions too. 헤라 내려가셔서 go down first. 제우스 타고 Live name Zeus. Yeah, in Korea we call that Zeus. Zeus. Ride Zeus and go up, or ride gondola on here, nearby here. Actually, there was a gondola nearby there. Just go up till the top, then you can meet Hera's top. Go down, 내려가세요. 내려가셔서 올라가세요. Go up. Yeah, these two words you should remember. 내려가다 and 올라가다. Going down, going up. So once again, Hera 내려가셔서 제우스 타고 올라가시거나 to get to Hera, go down first and ride the Zeus lift and go up. Or 아니면 yeah, this one is important too. 여기서 곤돌라 타고 쭉 올라가셔야 헤라 탑입니다. Ride the gondola and go up till the end, then you can get to Hera's top. I should say thanks, right? So 예, yes. 감사합니다. Thank you. Almost everyone who's watching this video know about it. 감사합니다. Thank you.
So it's slippery, right? Slippery is 미끄러워요. 미끄러워. Slippery. That's the reason I can't go.
And the next one, while riding, it was slippery, the floor. That's the reason we can go. So I said, 미끄러워요. It's slippery. It's slippery. 미끄러워요.
맞아요. 여보세요? 아, 예.
And that's right. 맞아요. That's right. And one of the important expression here too, when we are getting the call, who's calling you, then you can answer them. 여보세요? 여보세요 is hello. So you can say 여보세요. Hello.
제우스 리프트 앞입니다. 천천히 오세요. 다리가 너무 아파. 내려오고 있는 거야?
제우스 리프트 앞입니다. Zeus 리프트 앞입니다. 앞입니다. In front of. 뒤에요. 뒤입니다. Back. So Zeus 리프트 앞입니다. 제우스 리프트 앞입니다. I'm in front of Zeus. 천천히 오세요. Directly translated one, we can say come slowly, but it doesn't mean come slowly like this. Actually, it means take your time. Take your time. 천천히 오세요. Take your time. 천천히 오세요. It doesn't mean coming to me slowly like this slow-mo. No, not like that. It means actually take your time. Don't be in a hurry, right? 천천히 오세요. And 다리가 너무 아파. 다리가 너무 아파. My legs hurt. My legs are killing me. 다리 아파 죽겠어. My legs hurt, so it's killing me. Something like that. Yeah. 아파요. 아프다. Hurt. Painful. So when you have a headache, you can say 머리가 아파요. 머리 is head. I have a headache. I have a headache. You can say 머리가 아파요. 다리가 아파요. 팔이 아파요. 마음이 아파요. My heart broke. Like that. Yeah, 아파요. And then 내려오고 있는 거야? 내려오다. The first sentence we've learned 내려가다, right? Going down. So 내려오고 있는 거야. Are you coming down? 내려오고 있는 거야. 있는 거야 means someone is doing something. So we should use ing. So 내려오고 있는 거야. Are you coming down?
For those visiting our ski resort, please use the following precautions.
힘들어.
Hold ski poles together in one hand.
힘들어 죽겠어요. I'm dying because I'm tired.
힘들어. Actually, I posted a short video with this on my Instagram. 힘들어. I'm tired or exhausted. 피곤해요. 힘들어. Tired. 힘들어 죽겠어. I'm dying because I'm tired. I'm tired and it is killing me.
사장님 에너지 드링크 뭐예요? 요겁니다. 아, 그럼 나 콜라.
콜라 하나랑요. 하나 주세요.
콜라 하나 하고 생수 하나요? 4,000원인데요?
사장님, actually it means directly the owner of the shop, but this one is excuse me, calling Mr. someone else. So 사장님, energy drink 뭐예요? There are some words we don't translate it in Korean. I mean English word, we just use it as itself. So energy drink 뭐예요? Energy drink is energy drink. Since we don't have R sounds, it sounds like some part weird though. We use it directly. So energy drink 뭐예요? Because there was a sign energy drink. Maybe it was 4,000 won, 2,000 won. So I was trying to find out what is that. Did I like it or not? But it's not what I like, so I choose another one. So he said, this one. Yeah, I mean that. I don't like that one. That's the reason I chose something else. 그럼 나는 콜라, and then Coke for me. 나는 for me. 나를 위해서 for me. Coke. Then I will choose Coke. But translated into Korean easier. I mean better. 나는 콜라. So then Coke for me. 콜라 하나랑요 생수 하나 주세요. 하나, one. So 콜라. Korean don't call Coke into Coke. We just call it cola. So one cola. 콜라 하나랑요, and one cola and 생수 하나 주세요. 생수, mineral water. So 콜라 하나랑요, 생수 하나 주세요. It means one Coke and one mineral water, please. And then he asked back again, 콜라 하나랑 생수 하나요. One Coke and one mineral water, right? To check it exactly, he asked us again. 4,001, 4,000원입니다. 4,000원. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, So 4,000원. 4,000원 means 4,000 won. 1,000원, we don't call it like that. Erase it. Just 1,000원. 2, 2,000원. 3, 3,000원. 4, 4,000원. Coke was 4,000원. 4,000 won. So 4,000원입니다. is 4,000 won.
아, 이걸로 나오는구나.
드리겠습니다.
감사합니다.
어떤 실제로 있어요?
뚜껑도 있나요, 혹시? 잘 먹겠습니다.
아, 이걸로 나오는구나. 아, it serves like this. Actually, I thought it's like a can or something, but it's the cup, big cup, like movie theater's Coke. 아, 이걸로 나오는구나. 네, 여기 있습니다. Yes, here it is. 여기 있습니다. Here it is. Here it is. 여기 있습니다. And then, same expression. 감사합니다. Thank you. Thanks. You know that already. And 옆에 straw 있어요. Straw is 빨대. But some foreign words, there are a lot of people who are using foreign word as foreign word directly. So 옆에 straw 있습니다. 옆에 빨대 있습니다. The straw is on your next. On your side, there is a straw. So I asked, 뚜껑도 있나요 혹시? 뚜껑 means top, cover. I think cover is the best expression for that. 뚜껑도 혹시 있나요? Do you have a cover too? Then he answered us. 저쪽에 있습니다. There it is. There it is. 저쪽 means a bit far place. 이쪽 means close. 이쪽 this. 저쪽 that. 잘 먹겠습니다. Actually, she bought me a drink, so I should say thanks. But 잘 먹겠습니다. In English, there's no expressions like that. In Japanese, they have two though. 이타다키마스. So I think for the best expression of this one is thank you for buying me a drink. You can use it for another way too. But anyway, 잘 먹겠습니다. For this case, thank you for buying me a drink.
아닌데, 그러면 이걸 갖고 탈 수는 없겠는데? 다
아니 근데 그러면 이걸 갖고 탈 수는 없겠는데? 아니 근데 by the way, 그러면 then 이걸 this one 갖고 carrying 탈 수는 없다. Cannot ride. So it means 아니 근데 그러면 이거 갖고 탈 수는 없겠는데? By the way, then while riding ski, I cannot carry this, right? Actually, I'm riding a snow skate though, so 이걸 갖고 탈 수는 있겠는데, while riding my snow skate, I cannot carry this one, right? Of course, cannot. So she said me, 빨리 먹어 지금. Then finish it now. So we've learned expressions that I use in ski resort. I think the most important expression is the ones I use to buy the Cokes. Don't forget it. And also, hello, 여보세요? What I used to get the phone call, right? Don't forget it. And if you have any question, please let me know by replying this video. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and push like button and get the alarm sign. 네, 감사합니다. Hope to see you again. 또 만나요.